The Haynesboro School District, located 90 miles north of Juneau by water, uses technology as a tool to infuse learning in students' daily lives. The district has 270 students in kindergarten through 12th grade. These students access a plethora of technology that enriches their learning experience. We have 75 iPads for supplemented instruction for grades K through 12. These carts roll into the classroom, allowing multiple students to access information instantly. Web 2.0 applications and mobile apps are infused in the learning experience. Additionally, there are 2 laptop carts for kindergarten through 8th grade to allow students to use the tool for expressing ideas, creating multimedia presentations, and researching topics. The high school hosts a one-to-one laptop program where students are able to extend their learning to their homes. Our science program includes a system engineering class that has infused technology into design, planning, and creation of alternative power sources for the school. The Independent Learning Center at the high school helps students take classes that the staff cannot provide and assist with credit recovery through programs like eLearn 2020 and the Alaska Learning Network. Media-rich content streams through the 15 megabit connection from our local internet service provider. Online learning applications like Fast Forward, Reads Naturally, BrainPop, ebook checkouts, and many other online learning experiences continue to flood the bandwidth. Without state and federal programs like E-Rate and educational funding, these programs will cease to continue. It is the mission of the Haynesboro School District to graduate lifelong learners with the confidence, skills, and knowledge to realize their aspirations and contribute to a changing world. This can only be done by continuing to inspire and infuse educational tools to our current and future students.